Hello little scientists, welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. Have you seen the crocodile's mouth? Can you make it with your hands? Come on, make a crocodile's mouth with me. You can either open the mouth from the left hand side or from the right hand side. Wow, it's too easy. In the same simple manner, you can learn how to compare two numbers. From your Intelli SMART Box, take out number sticks, numbers tokens, numbers kit, number tray 1 and number tray 2. In case of comparison, either one number can be greater, smaller or equal to the other number. To perform this activity, you will need your numbers giant wheel that you have already assembled in the previous activities, number board 1, number board 2 along with a circular symbol holder, the tags of number board 1 and number board 2, number tokens from 0 to 9 and that too 2 sets, the comparison symbols, number sticks, number tray 1 and number tray 2. Before beginning this activity, let us glance through the comparison symbols. This is the greater than symbol, which is used if the first number is greater. This is the less than symbol and it is used when the first number is smaller. And this is the equal to symbol, which is used if both the numbers are equal. Come on, let's assemble the parts and keep the setup ready for playing the game. First, take the number board. Observe that the slit is at the top. So, we will place the number board 1 tag on the given slit. Similarly, take the number board 2. And here also the slit is at the top. So, we will fix the number board 2 tag on the top in the given slit. Now, observe carefully that these two number boards are having the ends like this. So, here we will insert a circular symbol holder in the ends. Very nice. Now place the number tray one side of the number board 1. And remember that each row should have the boxes in front of them. Similarly, place the number tray 2 on the either side of the next board. Perfect. Keep your comparison symbols, number tokens and the number sticks ready. Now you are ready to play the comparison game. First, spin the numbers giant wheel. And notice the number which the rocket arrow points to. Look, here we get the number 13. Now we have to place 13 number sticks on the number board 1. So let's start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. You know where to place the next stick? In the next row, the first slot. 12 and 13. Since these are the 13 sticks, so we will take out the number tokens of 1 and 3 and place them where the last number stick ends. So let's place them on the number tray 1. This represents number 13. Perfect. Now to get the second number, it's time to rotate the numbers giant wheel again and observe the second number. Look what we got. The rocket arrow points to the number 31. So we will take 31 number sticks. So we got the number 31 on the numbers giant wheel. Now we need to place 31 number sticks on the number board 2. So come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You all know where to place the 11th number stick in the second row, starting from left to right. We need to count till 31. Here comes 21, 22, and we are much more closer to place the 31st stick. Now, since the last stick ends in the 4th row, so we are going to place the number tokens of 3 and 1 in the box here. 3, 1. Perfect. So, the number board 1 demonstrates 30 number and the number board 2 demonstrates number 31. See, it's clearly visible that there are less number of sticks on number board 1 as compared to the sticks on number board 2. Can you guess the symbol we shall place in the circular symbol holder? Absolutely correct. Now we will place the comparison symbol of less than in the circular symbol holder because 13 is less than 31. Wonderful. Now you know how to compare two numbers. So try yourself. But this time remember to turn your numbers giant wheel and try on the numbers from 51 to 100. Spin the giant wheel, select any two numbers and repeat the same activity by placing the first number on the number board 1 and then identifying the number of sticks and placing the number tokens, and again spinning the numbers giant wheel and placing the numbers on number board 2 and identifying the numbers, and then compare the two numbers. Wasn't it fun? So, after playing this wonderful game, now you have learnt about the comparison of numbers and identifying the number which is greater than, smaller than or is equal to the other number. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.